Alright guys, we're looking at the CDE rotator control box that I received with my tower that I got from a Silent Key, and Ham 3 Series 2 rotator. We're going to sit here and see. It's just cobbled together right now. I do need to replace the rotor cable, and I am going to re-grease the entire rotor, but if I hit the brake release, it does release. And you can hear the rotor turn, as well as see the needle move, showing the location. But this rotor's been up in the air for quite some time, and does have quite a bit of grime and stuff on it here. I did find on the bottom, you could, I don't know if it'll show up on the video, but that is a Ham 3 Series 2 built in April of '78. So, does have a little bit of age on it. Hey guys, Steve, KO4AFL here, and today we're going to rebuild the rotor that you saw me test in the earlier clip. Yes, it works. It has been up on the tower for quite some time, and being that I got the tower from a Silent Key, I think it's just time to go ahead and rebuild this rotor, clean it up, new ball bearings, all the good stuff. So let's go ahead and break into it and see how bad it really is. It does show quite a bit of rust and corrosion. Luckily the bolts are coming out fairly easy. I did already break them loose, just so I wouldn't have too much problem with them. But see how it goes. I am going to replace the cinch connector on the bottom with an amp type connector that is supposed to be watertight. That's been a big problem with the older high gain CDE rotors that I've seen online. So I'm going to save you guys the my bad soldering on that one though. We don't need to show that too much. So, quite a bit of rust, quite a bit of crunch. Bring the camera in here and show y'all what we're looking at. So there is just a good bit of cleanup that needs to be done. The ball bearings are completely dry, but we will re-lube all that. The plastic looks to be good, so that's not terrible. But, and yeah, it looks like somebody may have used axle grease or something very sticky on this at one point. But all in all, it's not terrible. Give me a minute to get a couple of things. We'll get this started, and I'll be right back with you. Alright guys, we're back. I've got just a standard can of brake cleaner. You can kind of see the grease in there. So we're just going to spray that down a little bit. Okay guys, quick update here. The rotor is finished, put back together. I did paint it with a little bit of Krylon metallic aluminum, and there's the connector I was talking about. I do have rotor cable on order, so I'll need that before I can test it, because I got to put the connector on that new cable. But you know, that's all I've got for now. We'll get this uploaded, and then I will start on the tower. I have ordered a new base plate for the tower. Hopefully that'll come in soon, and then I got to get to digging a hole. Thanks guys. Enjoy.